Well guys, episode 28, nice rainy day here in northern Ontario. Been kind of scrambling trying to get something together to put out this week, but we did get that Buick done painted. I've been busy with the darn chip truck again, getting it ready to roll. Right here in the Horizon poutine. I tell you, you never tried a poutine. You really got to get up here and give it a go. Oh, that's not the switch we wanted. That's on. So I've been kind of busy building counters and getting my kitchen ready to go here, guys. So like I said, we just kind of threw something together this week. It's it is what it is, guys. It's going to be really interesting over the next few weeks. Well, this season goes for working on the food truck. Maybe we'll do some kind of footage out here this year. I was going to do that last year, never did. But hey, here we go. Let's paint a Buick. Alright guys, be good. Don't forget, like, subscribe, tell a friend, and pass it around a bit. Alright guys, on with the video. Alright guys, here we are a week later. We're back. I'd really like to get this thing out of here. So, as you can see, our color match was not really that good. I don't know how good you can see it on the camera, but yeah, it's pink, not white. So it looks like I did a light white over a pink. Yeah. So we got the right color. I'm going to bring it back in. We're going to mask it off again and see if we can't. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. It's pretty windy out here. So other than that, the car's, bodywork all come out good. It looks good. It's not rusty. Everything's clean. Let's get her in and get her done. All right, we'll edit the beginning of that out. Alright guys, well we're down to masking. Yeah. Geez, I don't even know. You put paper on stuff that you don't want to paint. It's pretty straightforward. So I already did the hard line on the back there. I use a 1/4" tape for my rounded edges. You can buy it at the hardware store. Where's mine? Got it here somewhere. Of course, not where I'm looking. I know I just put it back in the bag. There it is. Yeah, I get this at Home Hardware up here, Lowe's, Home Depot. This is just painter's mate, 1/4". 0.23 inch, so just under 1/4". All right. Then we're using 1 inch or 3/4 after that. I'm just going to go a little past where our line was. Because you never want to be right on the line you just did, because we want to burnish that. We're going to get in here with some emery what am I thinking of? Not emery cloth. You know what? Don't you hate it when the name's right on the tip of your tongue? You just can't think of what it is. Scotch-Brite. That's it. We're going to come in with some Scotch-Brite. I get some wrinkles in here, but that's why I use the 1/4, because it won't wrinkle when you bend it. Or this stuff wants to wrinkle up. Now you can get a better quality 1/2" tape that'll let you do this, but we're just doing quick and dirties here, guys. And of course, as you can see, the pink it's got to go. Now I do want to give a bit of a shout out here. The boys at Napa, thanks for all your help. I know I can be a royal pain in the ass sometimes, but hey, you guys do make it a little easier. So kudos to you boys. Thanks for putting up with me. Now, if any of you watch this, but I guess we'll find out soon enough, eh? All right. All right. Alright guys, well this is kind of my favorite part when I do this. It's like unwrapping a present, right? Let's see how our lines look. Let's get all our... Let's get the covers off, you know what I mean. So, I usually, if I started at the front putting the paper on, I started the back taking the paper off. And it should be as simple as pulling it up and the other side. No, but sometimes it bites you. See how our color match is here. Now I know this color match ain't perfect, guys, because I won't tell you the nightmare we went through to get a match. And yeah, I think once it gets out in the daylight, we're under fluorescent lights now, which are very unforgiving. They really, natural light is totally different. This is all at the bottom. Put that stuff over there. I can tell now it's a lot lighter. But like I say, once we get it out in the natural light, and we get some dirt, and we give her a, you know, a little bit of a... Once we give her a buff in a week or two, let Mother Nature do her thing with it. It'll all be better. Have faith. She still needs a buff and a wax after this. But like I say, guys, it's just quick and dirty. Not after perfection. You can never, without masking the cards or spending hours color matching. If you're doing it yourself in your garage, you can't have perfection. You can have nice clean lines. I like that. Yeah. And another word of advice, guys, don't leave your tape on too long, because it will come back to haunt you when you try and take it off later. I don't even like leaving it overnight. Well, it's better than pink. We'll get a better idea tomorrow when we get it out in the daylight. I'm going to leave her in here overnight. I'm going to clean that plastic up, but we can do that. I got some pieces to put back on. Like I say, guys, a little time in Mother Nature will help to blend things. It's not rusty. Yeah, that's way later in color. See that right now. You say it's not pink, guys. I think when we get it out in the daylight, it'll be a lot better. Yeah. Here, let's take you off there. I don't know if the camera does it any justice, but like I say, it's not pink. It's sealed, it's coated. Yeah. I think we're going to be good to go with this, guys. Like I say, once we get it out, it spends a little time with Mother Nature, things will, yeah, a little dirt ground into her, bit of a buff and a wax. she'll blend a little better. Alright guys, that's where I'm leaving it. We'll pick this up in the morning. I'm going to put the trim back together, put the seals back in the doors, and I think we're going to polish the headlights too. We'll talk about that in the morning. Catch you then. Alright guys, here we are, nice rainy day. We're not pink anymore. It's all done. I'm taking her back to the customer. Well, customer friend, the owner. Yeah, look at that. That's still, you know, it is a brighter white, but I think it'll fade in with time. It's not pink. So, if we have to, we'll find more of an eggshell color. Who knows? Alright guys, let's take this back to Peter and see how it, wow, it's wet out here. There we go. Alrighty. Oh, this is a weird car to get in out of. Alright. It's got one of these funky keys on it. You see these? I think Audi was the first one of these I ever saw that's got that flip out key. Yeah. Alright. Alrighty. Yeah. Alright. Well guys, I'm gonna say I do think that's gonna be it for this week. Well, how does this work? I don't want to run into the Toyota there. Ah, it's one of those doohickeys. I see. That's how the wipers work. It's soggy out here, guys. Well, I better throw this seatbelt thing on here, so we can. Yeah, there we go. Put the seatbelt thing on. Oh, it's way down there. Ah. Alright, let's get into the parking lot here. Gotta fix that bump one of these days. Grade the lot. Alrighty. So, like I say guys, I think this is episode 28. 29. I lost track. Lost count, guys. So, come back next week when I have no idea what we're gonna do, but we'll figure something out. Might be just changing a lock actuator in a Caravan. It's the first week for the chip truck, guys. So bear with me. I'm gonna try keeping putting out content every week. Can't make no promises, but don't forget, like, subscribe, tell a friend, hell, tell an enemy. Just pass it around. Let me get down this side street here. If you made it right this far, you're a trooper. Appreciate it, guys. Be good.